Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. In this video, we will learn the verb to go in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns.
Aller,
The French verb
aller,
is another important verb that you have to learn in French. The meaning of
aller,
is to go. It is an irregular verb. This is because, in its infinitive form, the verb's endings in the present tense do not follow the same pattern as regular verb in their group. Let's see how to say I go.
je vais,
You go.
tu vas,
He goes.
il va,
She goes.
elle va,
We go.
on va,
We go.
nous allons,
You go.
vous allez,
They go.
ils vont,
They go.
elles vont.
Let's repeat one more time. I go.
Je vais,
You go.
tu vas,
He goes.
il va,
She goes.
elle va,
We go.
on va,
We go.
nous allons,
You go.
vous allez,
They go.
ils vont,
They go.
elles vont.
Now, with this information, we should be able to say where we are heading. So, let's try to build some simple sentences. How do you say, I am going to the beach?
Je vais à la plage. Je vais à la plage.
He is going to the bank.
Il va à la banque. Il va à la banque.
She goes to the market.
Elle va au marché. Elle va au marché.
We are going to the cinema.
Nous allons au cinéma. Nous allons au cinéma.
Now, you may be confused. Sometimes we are using,
À la,
while other time, we are using.
au,
In simple words,
à la,
is used with feminine nouns, and
au.
is used with masculine nouns. This is because of rule of contraction, which we will learn in subsequent lessons. Let's summarize the conjugation of the verb to go in tabular format. That's all for today. So, see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.